Xbox.
This video will show you how to remove the mSATA solid-state drive on Inspiron 13z 5323. Check the links in the description below to find parts for this laptop. PartsPeople.com offers 5% off to do-it-yourselfers with this coupon code. Loosen the screw. Remove the access door. Remove the screw. Remove the mSATA solid-state drive. If you need to find the part, check out the link in the video description and let's get started with the installation. Replace the mSATA solid-state drive. Replace the screw. Replace the access door. Tighten the screw. Here are some other 13z tutorials. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out PartsPeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.